Hi, this is Priyanshu, and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MSc 102 MA Economics from IGNOU University. So, before starting the question, I want to share something. We are providing the whole solutions of the all the questions. So, if you need a whole solution, so kindly contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen, which is 900 936 8238. This is a paid service and we will provide you all the questions in a PDF form. So the question is saying that discuss the important features of new classical macroeconomics. What are the major policy issues highlighted by the new classical economics? So if you need answer of this whole, because you can see the very small answer is given here. If you need an answer of a whole question, a whole answer, so you can contact us. We will provide you the answer of this not particular question. We will provide the whole solutions on this PDF. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helps you. Thank you.